the fifth thing was ultimately I wanted a woman who was going to tilt the room, right? You walk in the room, you know, if she walks in the room, the whole furniture just slides to her.
Okay.
You know? And so the five things my five non-negotiables were one woman of faith. Second thing was one woman who's faithful. Third thing was one who was independent. Fourth thing was I wanted a woman who, who loved me the way that my mom loved my dad. And the fifth thing was, ultimately, is I wanted a woman who would tilt the room.
Tilt the room.
I wasn't going to settle for 3 out of the 5 or 4 out of the 5. We were going to go 5 for 5, and that was it.
And you got it.
And we got 5 for 5 plus some more.
You got it.
Yeah,
you
so
got it.
That was really what we were.
Are you crying?
Yes, I am. Sorry, because I'm hormonal too. But I mean, I guess
it is sweet, but it's so nice to hear it all over.
Baby, you know what today is?
I showed you. It's March 26th, and it's 5 years since the first day that we met each other.
The first day we met, and that was the best day of my life.
Yeah, me too.
But we got 2 kids, one on the way.
The bump is bumping. We out there.
And
these days it's going slow because we in quarantine.
I'll be in quarantine with you forever. I don't mind.
Me
I'll
too.
be stuck up in the house. But we're gonna go live with y'all. We're gonna have some fun. What time we going live?
3.
We're going live at 3 PST.
Come chat with us. Let's talk about some things. What you guys want to talk about?
Y'all tell us.
Let's all keep each other entertained.
Today is a special day.
It is.
Special
One of
day.
the many.
Yes. But we're gonna have some fun with y'all today. So come join us. We're gonna talk live with y'all. We love you guys. We'll see you soon.
See you guys.
All right, peace.